video is all about the fastest way to get big hair. You don't need fancy, expensive tools to give your hair a lot of volume and bounce. You just need your mama's hot rollers. So depending on how old you are, they might actually be your hot rollers. These are my hot rollers, and these are OG hot rollers from the 90s. My mom bought these for me for probably about my 11th birthday in 1997, 96? I don't know. Whenever I was 11. It was the 90s. The brand is Fullness. I don't know if they make these anymore, but the Conair ones that they make are very similar to these. They have the velvet and they're ceramic, and they have the metal pins, which I should have taken out before I turned it on because the metal pins get really hot and then they're hard to touch. If you have one with metal pins, try and remember to take them out before you heat it up so they're not really hot to touch, but oh well, I forgot. They do also sometimes come with plastic clips. The plastic clips can be a little easier to use, but a lot of them did come with the metal pins. So if your hair is not very long, don't expect necessarily to get curls from your hot rollers. Hair needs to be able to wrap around the barrel of a curling iron or a curler 2.5 times to get a really good curl. If it can't wrap 2.5 times, you're going to get more volume and body as opposed to a curl. So it really depends on how long your hair is. If you're going for more of a curl and your hair is shorter, use something smaller. But the bigger the curler you use, the less curl you're going to get, depending on how long your hair is. So when I want to use these just for like volume in general, I don't do anything really specific or crazy. First, I brush through my hair to make sure there's no tangles. And then I'm literally just going to take rollers and stick them in my hair. That's it. No. There you go. Whacked them all in. No real pattern, just put them in any way that was easy and comfortable for me to do it. Honestly, it's a little bit different every time, except for the fact that I try to do a bunch across the top of my head. And then I'm just gonna leave them in until they're completely cool, and then we'll come back and take them out. All right, let's start taking them out now that they've been in for about half an hour and they are completely cool. I like to do these and then do my makeup, do everything else I need to do. I usually pop my hair in first, so then I have lots of time to let it cool without feeling like I'm rushed. Don't panic either if some of them look a little crazy when you're taking them out. Really trust the process. Now I just shake it out. And what we are left with is big, voluminous, blowout hair without the fancy tools, without having to learn how to use some fancy air wrap or something like that. Works every time. You pop them in, you go about your business, you take them out right before you leave, and your hair looks amazing. I hope that helps. I hope that gives you a fun new way to try and get some bounce and life and fullness into your fine flat hair. A couple tips for helping the volume last would be to make sure that before you cleaned your hair, you put some volumizing mousse or spray in. And if you didn't do that before you wash and blow dried your hair, you can put it in after and then blow dry that into your dry hair before you put your curlers in. That's going to help your hair have a lot more hold than if you just do it in hair that has no product in it at all. You can also follow up at the end with some dry texture spray or powder or hairspray if that works well for your hair type. Let me know in the comments what you think of hot rollers, if you give them a try and if they work well for you, or if this is something you have been doing for decades like me and it is just never gone out of your style repertoire. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe if you are not already a subscriber here, because we would love to have you as part of our DIY Hair School family. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.